Hello everybody. Today we are dealing with Keynesian consumption function. It was introduced by this consumption function is introduced by John Maynard Keynes, that is Professor Keynes in the year 1936, and this function describes the relationship between consumption and disposable income. Consumption is actually act or process of consuming, and disposable income is the income after paying the taxes, that is the income at our disposal. Then the simplest form of the function is C equal to a plus by, where C is the consumption, A is autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption can be defined as the consumption which is independent of the disposable income. Even if the income is zero, we have to consume. That is autonomous consumption. It is not affected by the disposable income. Then next comes the marginal propensity to consume. This marginal propensity to consume is the actually slope coefficient and is dependent on the disposable income. As the disposable income increases, there will be changes in MPC. And next is the Y, that is the disposable income. Then we are dealing with the autonomous consumption A. It is actually the intercept term in the equation and repeated by A in the equation. Then comes the marginal propensity to consume. That is the important thing. It is the change in consumption as a result of change in income. It is a slope coefficient in the equation. Then changes in consumption as a result of change in income is actually MPC. And the value of MPC lies between 0 and 1. That is, if there is an increase in 100 rupees, the 100 rupees will not be consumed, but either 80 or 50 or 60 will be consumed and the rest will be saved. So MPC lies between 0 and 1. If there is a change in consumption, change in income of 100 rupees, then if a person increase his consumption by 60 rupees, then the MPC will be change in consumption is 60 divided by change in income is 100. 60 by 100 equal to 0.6, and the remaining 40 rupees will be saved, that is MPS, increased in saving divided by increased in income. So the sum of MPS and MPC will be always equal to 1. This is the graph showing the consumption function. Here in the x-axis we take disposable income, then y-axis consumption. This 0 to this blue line is autonomous consumption, and this is actually the consumption function C equal to a plus MPC into YD or by. The slope of this line is MPC. Okay, so Keynesian consumption function is C equal to a plus by, where C is consumption, A autonomous consumption, B marginal propensity to consume, Y equal to income. Thank you.